Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are very, very fine, very, very cheerful. Be happy, live safe at your home. Let us come and read very humorous and comic chapter Mother's Day. Mother's Day has been written by J.B. Priestley, a good story writer. And in foreign countries, Mother's Day, Father's Day are celebrated. These celebrations certainly signify the love of the children to their mothers and fathers. In this chapter also we shall see that there is a mother and she loves her husband, her children too much, very much, and that is why all the time she runs hither and thither in order to obey them, in order to fulfill their orders. And these children and husband, they are really very selfish and they do not treat in good manner, in good behavior with her. They have made her just as a domestic servant, just as a domestic maid servant. And she, on the other hand, loves them too much. There is a big contradiction between the behavior of the mother and their children. And that is why the neighbor of this mother could not bear it, could not stand it. जो पड़ोसन थी वो नहीं सहन कर सकी, उससे नहीं बर्दाश्त हुआ, इस नाते वह इसको एडवाइस देने चली आई. तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी द मेन कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस ड्रामा, ऑफ दिस प्ले. तो नंबर 1, Annie Pearson. Annie Pearson is the wife of Mr. George Pearson, and the whole story moves around Annie Pearson. She is the center of the drama, this play. Annie Pearson. Number 2, Mr. George Pearson. And Mr. George Pearson is her husband. Number 3, Doris. Doris is their daughter. She is daughter. Number 4, Cyril. Cyril is their son, means he is brother of Doris. And number 5, and this 5th character is also very important character of this play, Mrs. Fitzgerald. Mrs. Fitzgerald. Mrs. Fitzgerald. Mrs. Fitzgerald is their neighbor. इन सबकी पड़ोसन है. Mrs. Fitzgerald is the neighbor. Neighbor, neighbor, padosan. And Mrs. Fitzgerald helps Annie Pearson, Mrs. Annie Pearson. So these are the main characters of this story. Mrs. Annie Pearson is very humble, very modest lady, and she is not a good-looking lady. From inner heart, she is very soft, very sweet, very good, but from outside she does not look cheerful. All the time she looks as if worried, and that is why Mr. George and Miss Doris, Cyril, all of them, all the time, they order to do this work and that work to Annie Pearson. And Annie Pearson loves them too much, that is why she obeyed their orders, and all the time, since morning till evening and till late in the night, till she goes to the bed, she obeys their orders. She runs on one leg to do their orders, to complete their orders. And that is why Mrs. Fitzgerald, one day, when she could not stand, she could not bear the miseries of Mrs. Pearson, one day she went to Mrs. Pearson. जब मिसेस पियर्सन की कठिनाई को नहीं सहन सकी पड़ोसन, तो एक दिन मिसेस पियर्सन के यहाँ गई. कठिनाई क्या थी कि मिसेस पियर्सन बड़ी विनम्र स्वभाव की थी, और यह अपने पति और अपने दोनों बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करती थी. इसलिए यह उन लोगों की बातों को दिन भर, उनकी बात मानने में पूरा दिन बिता देती थी. सुबह से शाम तक नाचती रहती थी उनके आदेशों को पूरा करने के लिए. तो कुल मिलाकर एक सर्वेंट जैसी ज़िंदगी उसकी हो गई थी. तो मिसेस फिtzgerald बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकी, उसके घर जाती है. इसको कष्ट होता है कि इसकी जो बदतर स्थिति को देख करके. In order to give the good suggestions, Mrs. Fitzgerald goes to Mrs. Pearson and she says to Mrs. Pearson that her life had become just like a servile animal, just like a maid servant who does not get any remuneration, any salary, any wages. Nor does she get any kind of thanks, respect and welcome. That is why Mrs. Fitzgerald said to Mrs. Pearson that she would tell a method by which Mrs. Pearson would become the boss of her family, the mistress of her family. And she tells, when Mrs. Pearson asks that method, that way, Mrs. Fitzgerald, she was a fortune teller. यह भविष्य वक्ता थी. Mrs. Fitzgerald was a fortune teller. Means astrologer. So this science of astrology she had learned from East, or you can say from Eastern countries like Japan, China, etc. So now Mrs. Fitzgerald said to Mrs. Pearson that with the help of some स्पेल लाइन्स और द लाइन्स ऑफ स्पेल, मतलब मंत्र जिसे कहते हैं, स्पेल, लाइन्स ऑफ स्पेल। है ना, जिसे कहते हैं सम्मोहक मंत्र, फैसिनेटिंग कपलेट्स। सम्मोहक मंत्र। तो मिसेस फिजरल्ड said to Mrs. Pearson that with the help of this fascinating spells, she would change the personality of each other. Means Mrs. Pearson would become Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Fitzgerald would become Mrs. Pearson. Means their personalities will exchange. First of all, Mrs. Pearson does not believe it, but when Mrs. Fitzgerald started to put the practice of spelling, astatadam, astatalam, astatalam, lumdum bona. In this way, when she read this spell, really the personality of Fitzgerald entered into Pearson's body and the personality of Pearson entered into Fitzgerald's body. And in this way, she exchanged each other. And on that day, when first of all her daughter Doris comes in the room, and all this drama has been set in the living room of Mrs. Pearson. When Doris enters in the living room, she looks that Mrs. Pearson was smoking. Now she was not Pearson, now she was Fitzgerald. Pearson in the personality of Fitzgerald. So she was smoking, and she had a bottle in the hand and a half-filled glass. And when Doris entered and she looked her mother, she was really stunned, surprised to see her. She asked if the tea was ready, because all the time when Mr. George, Mrs. Pearson, Mr. George and daughter Pearson, daughter Doris, son Cyril, when they entered, when they were coming, she had made the breakfast. She had prepared the tea, and that is why Mrs. Doris was very much overwhelmed to see the glass in the hand and the smoking or cigarette between the lips. She asked for her dress, but the mother said that she had not prepared anything, and she said that Doris could do herself. Doris could prepare the tea by herself. My dear students, now I will coming and teach you in the second part.